Hello, assalamu alaikum. I'm Kazi Ahmed Dollar from Designer Dollar. I hope you guys are all doing well. And today we'll learn that how to create a motion graphics banner or motion graphics Instagram story for a food company or food website. So let's get it started. And if you are new in my channel, then definitely consider subscribing. If you didn't press the bell icon, then definitely it's worth press the bell icon so that every time whenever I upload any video, you will get notified. And again, share this video more and more if you liked it and like my videos. Okay, let's get it started. So let's open the project, the salad project for a food website, motion graphics, and then definitely I set it up. Right now it's half portion because my computer's hardware is very slow. And now press it and let's show you. So how I did it, let's start from the basic. Okay, first of all we have to create a white solid. Then if I solo it, you can see this is the white solid, and this is the base of this design, because every time whenever we want to design anything like motion graphics or graphic design, so we need to create the base version of it, because without a base version it won't look professional, and we don't see any engagement of throughout this design. Okay, so this is the white solid, and I extended this solid layer so far, and on the last version of it, or the last duration of this timeline, so that we can easily work with it without any issues or without any problem. So let's unsolo it, and then this is a vector object. You can see if I play it, you can see it is right now is moving. Let's solo it. Okay, this is mainly a vector pattern, so that we can easily move around, and it is basically its opacity is right now 18%. You can see, because I want to visualize people this pattern, like it is just showing up, not it is so see too hard, because if you see so hard in this pattern, you will experience more jittery feelings in this design. So its opacity is 18%, and behind this or under this layer, you can see there is a white layer, because this is a solid, and this looks very professional and engaging. It looks very comfortable to your eyes. Okay, so this is the pattern, and this is the white layer. Okay, and now after this is the PNG of this design, the logo, and I set the logo at so far at the last of this animation, because this is a logo, and because the logo's color is black, that's why I am using the white solid in this design. And this is the logo, this portion, and you can see it has some appearance that it is the scaling, because I just wanted to tweak some of the behavior of this logo. That's why I have created this scaling animation. You can see it. Okay, it is scaling up right now. You can see easily. Yes. Okay, if I bring it so far, you can see again. Sorry, let's take the timeline here. Okay, you can see it is just slightly scaling. Okay, so this is the PNG of this logo, and again now you can see the solo version. It is the mainly, if I fill it up the 100%, you can see this is the website of this design. This is the main things of this design, because we want to make this design as it here is a mobile, and you can search through your wife, sorry, I mean to say search through your website, the following your niche, and after using this mobile you can use the app, and you can visit the website of the salad. And now you can see this is the website's URL page, and this is the mobile animation, this is the text. Okay, fine. So it is the main focus, because you can see it there. It is the website, and you can take it part by part of these elements and make your own salad, whatever you like. Okay, it is up to you as per your taste. And this is the 2 png, because the 2 png means that this is another version of this element. You can see here is the first page, and this is the second page. After that you can see another page. Here this is the last page, third page, and this is the last page, the broccoli. Okay, so this is mainly this is the opacity. I tweak this design with the opacity, because nothing else I wanted to do in here. Let's give it a minute. Okay, you can see this is the opacity transform, and this is the opacity of this 0 to 100. Yes, just this portion is the opacity, and again the rest of this png is same, it is the opacity, and so on. Okay, again this is the these things are the website URL pages. So every time whenever I want to motion it, then I will take the opacity or scaling the position. If you want the 2D animation from me, okay, this is my style. Okay, and this is the mobile version of it. Sorry, you can see here the mobile is coming, and you can easily see the I have um, arrange a time revamping app, because this is the vector layer, everything, and you can see go here. This is the pre-compose layer, and after inside the pre-compose layer, here it is the elements, and you can animate here. But I didn't animate here because I think I should go with this version or this pre-compose, so it will give me some more room to create these variations. And this is the mobile, and if you want to see the which things are created here, normally I didn't create it here any special movement, because I have the hope you will be, you are benefited after showing these methods, and I will appreciate if you like my video and press the bell icon and subscribe, because I will bring more of these kind of videos in near future, and this will obviously useful to you.